Scholar, a podcast dedicated to providing in-depth analysis of relevant issues facing students today. In this episode, we will be examining college life of being scholar. With the help of Jomari Ongo Colobong, a second-year college tourism student. I have a question for you. How do you balance your academic studies with other responsibilities?
When exams are close, lots of schoolwork comes at once. It's hard to decide what to study first and you feel stressed. So, diba kapag pag may exam tayo din, ilang subjects yun, tapos hindi mo alam yung uunahin mong i-review. And kada subject, dapat ang hahaba na mga review minsan, diba? So, di mo talaga alam yung uunahin mo. Then, ang ginawa ko na lang is magawa ng flowers. Kasi ayun naman yung stress relievers ko.
May business ka pala.
Yeah.
Paano mo na-handle yung time mo na pagsasabay yung pag-aaral sa paggagawa nga ng mga, sabi mo business mo, sarili mo? Paano mo na-handle?
So, tuwing occasion lang naman yung paggagawa ng flowers. So, paggabi, pag may time ako nagagawa ko ng flowers para may stock ko, then kapag may order, ko na lang gagawin mo na siyang flower bouquet. Then, sa studies naman din, agad ko siya ginagawa para mapasa agad. And yung time ng review ko is morning. Kasi pag evening kasi pag gising ko nalilimutan ko na eh. So, ayun, morning na lang ako nag-review, then pagpasok exam na agad.
Okay, nakakatuwa naman pala yung mga ginagawa mo sa buhay. Like, ginagawa mo kung ano yung makakapagpa-saya sa'yo, makakapagpalibang, mga ganung bagay lang. Nagiging inspiration ka ng ibang student dahil na napagsasabay mo yung business and yung pag-aaral mo. Tapos, scholar ka pa, diba? Okay, let's move to our next topic. What are your most effective study habits and time management strategies?
So, dito mo ng scheduling. Like, for example, may exam kayo. Then, sa madaling araw ko mag-review para effective talaga yung pag-review mo. Kasi pag gabi siya, then, malilimutan mo siya pag gabi ka nag-review. Then, pag gising mo, wala na yung sa sa isip mo. Kaya need mo talaga sa madaling araw para gising talaga yung utak mo and talatak talaga sa utak mo yung i-review mo. And alam mo dapat yung limitations mo. Kasi baka mag-cellphone ka lang ng magdamag, di mo na magawa yung mga gagawin mo. Like mag-review or mga important. Hindi yung mag-cellphone ka.
So, feeling ko say, dapat maging responsible ka sa lahat ng gagawin mo.
Yes po, kasi scholar ka po eh. Kasi yung grade mo is, mataas.
Okay, thank you for that wonderful and amazing answer, Jomari. This is my third question for you. What are your biggest academic achievements or proudest moments so far? How did your scholarship contribute to these successes?
So, I have a small business and second year college na ako then I'm proud sa sarili ko na kinakaya ko yun and yung scholarship naging contribution siya sa pagpupuhunan ng business. Pero 1K lang yun, pero napalago ko siya. Then, ayun. Masaya naman ang buwan.
That's all your experience, huh? Thank you for sharing your wonderful story to us. Okay, Jomari, let's play a game called Guilty or Not Guilty Challenge. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You find a copy of the exam online before the test. Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
A classmate asked to copy your homework. You let them.
Guilty.
In a way na parang sila Kinocopyright. Kwento.
Ano,
Kwento.
like, wala na silang time para maggawa ng assignment there. Pinakopya ko na lang sila. Ganun.
Okay.
Kasi friend naman kami.
Napaka-generous naman pala nitong si Jomar. You paraphrase heavily from a source without proper citation. Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
You accidentally cite the wrong source in your paper. Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
You work with a group on a project but one member does significantly less work. Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty. Di naman kasi mawawala sa isang group project yan.
Yung may isang alanganin.
Oo. Hindi nga lang isa eh, diba? Parang isa na lang yung gumagawa ng group activity. Or group project.
Yeah, tama. Agree. You witness a classmate cheating on a test. Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty po.
Lagi yan.
Oh.
Hindi mawawala yan. You find a lost wallet containing a significant amount of cash. Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Okay, guilty ka dun. So, anong ginawa mo dun sa
Ano?
pera na nahanap, na nakita mo?
Kahit malaki or maliit, pinabalik ko pa rin siya sa, like, sa barangay, ganun, or sa mga office.
Okay. Napakabait mo naman pala, Jomar. You accidentally damage someone else's property. Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
Okay. You are offered extra credit for work you didn't do. Guilty or not guilty?
Ano? Guilty. Kasi muntik na yung gawin. Like, wala na akong time magawa ng project. Tapos, ipapagawa ko na sa friend ko din. Mag-offer ako ng money para gawin yun. Pero di naman siya natuloy kasi ginawa ko na siya eh.
Okay.
Nagtatime na ako nun.
A friend asks you to lie for them to get out of trouble. Guilty or not guilty? Like, humingi sila ng pabor sa'yo na magsinungaling ka para sa kanila, para makatakas sa sitwasyon na...
Ano, guilty. Kasi ano, kung may tama naman sila, pwede ko yung gawin din. Para ma-save sila din. Kasi ano eh, friend ko naman din sila eh. And alam ko naman yung tama na.
So, hindi mo naman sila tinotolerate sa ano. Kumbaga, bilang kaibigan, tutulungan mo lang sila makatakas sa problema na yan.
Yeah.
You consistently arrive late to class. Guilty or not
Guilty. Araw-araw yung late.
You frequently skip class without a valid excuse. Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty. Kasi pag tinatamad ako, di talaga ako mapapasok bala. Kaya...
I feel you. Ganyan din ako. You spread gossip about a classmate. Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty. Wala na kasama paki sa mga girl ng bagay eh. And...
Parang ano na nila yun eh, yung privacy na nila, hindi mo na kailangang mangialam pa.
Wala naman akong paki dun, saka di naman naka-involve sa kanila eh. Bala sila sa bala.
You borrow a friend's notes and don't return to them. Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
You fail to submit an assignment on time due to procrastination. Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
And this concludes our discussion on college life of being scholar. We thank Jomari Ongakokolobong for their insightful contributions. Listeners are encouraged to further explore this topic through the resources listed in the show notes. Until next time, we wish you continued success in your academic pursuits. Thank you.